Ciao, eccoci di nuovo in cucina con Josie e Carlos.
Hi there, welcome again to another edition of Cooking with Josie and Carlos.
Today we'll cook something very simple and easy. Pasta con ricotta.
Pasta with ricotta, a dish that in this house was made quite a bit when our kids were little. They loved it and they used to ask for it many times. Now, as grown up, they don't get it many times, so we decided to make a video of this dish.
Very simple, very quick, especially for hot days like today. It doesn't require much time.
Simple ingredients, so let's go do it.
These are the ingredients: ricotta, pasta. Today we're using the shells. We're gonna need some of the lemon zest and salt and pepper. That's all we need.
Good,
Let's go cook and have some fun.
let's do it. Okay, now we have boiling water. I'm gonna put some salt. And we are going to put the pasta to cook. We'll give it a little stir here. And now we are ready for the ricotta. By the time the pasta is cooked, we'll have the ricotta cheese ready. So let's go get the ricotta now. Go.
Now we're gonna start with the ricotta. I'm gonna break it up and like this. What I need is some of the water from the pasta that it's cooking. Maybe 1.5 ladles, and we'll see if we're gonna be needing more. This is just to break it up and make it like in a little, give it a little cream type. As you can see, and what I'll do now is put a little bit of lemon zest. This will give a nice, fresh, summery flavor to it. Just a little bit. And then a little pepper. I like pepper. And that's all we need. And now we're waiting for the pasta to finish cooking. And then we're just gonna add it. We're gonna add the ricotta to the pasta. And that's all it takes.
Okay, now the pasta is cooked, so I'm going to scoop it up. Don't worry if you don't get all the water out of it. Really, with the cheese, it will mix real good.
You're making a mess.
I like to make messes, so there we go. So here we are ready to mix the ricotta cheese with the pasta.
I'm ready to put the ricotta with the pasta and gently we're gonna mix it. It's already looking so good. And we have the conchiglie or the shells because when you mix the ricotta with the pasta, the ricotta will go inside the shells and it's gonna be so good. It looks like I'm gonna be needing maybe a little bit more of the water, pasta water. So Bear with me 1 second.
You saved.
I had saved the pasta water a little bit, so it makes it a little bit creamier. Doesn't this look good? Mmm. I remember when my kids wanted to eat all of it. All of it. More Nonna, more Mommy. And now that I mixed it, I'm ready to plate it. Now that I plated, I put a little bit more pepper, a little bit of lemon zest. And here we go, Carlos. It's your turn.
Now we need to taste it. So. Oh, excellent. I can taste the lemon, the ricotta cheese. It's fresh, the pepper. Good job, Josie. Excellent dish. Again, simple, quick, and great taste. So I hope you try it. I hope you like it, and let us know.
There is one more thing. You can actually add a little bit of Parmigiano cheese if you like. It's not necessary, but for people that like a lot of cheese, you can add the Parmigiano.
And with every dinner, there's always the need of wine.
Chin chin. Buon appetito.
Buon appetito. And when you go shopping for the ingredients of this dish, make sure you wear your mask.
Ciao ciao.
Ciao, ciao. Bye.